Choose emerald and ivory white for the seat. The middle row chooses the SUV seat with high cost performance, the return of the king. Have ventilation heating, pneumatic massage, wireless charging, one-button reset, and other functions. There is also an easy-to-operate lift touchscreen. After the seat rotates 360 degrees spliced into a sofa bed from a queen bed. Even if the height of 1.9 meters is lying here, there is no question front seats upholstered in napa leather. Plum pattern texture craft road design, same as airline seat. There is also a refrigerator armrest box in the middle. Both sides of the refrigerator can be opened freely and conveniently. It also has wireless charging. You no longer have to look around for a charger while driving. Such a set can be realized for less than 40,000. Do you think it's a good idea?